Mexicano, working like a Mexicano.
Hey y'all, it's me, Prettywitty 77, and welcome back. Woo, girl, I almost knocked over my glass. I almost dropped my croissant. Anyways, welcome back to another edition of the Deep Condish, where we deep condition our hair weekly. Well, we won't be doing this week, but we get the dish on what happened in hip hop and pop culture. Today is a remix. Of course, I have my glass of wine and I'm rocking a protective style, which I will tell you guys about it later. But I really wanted to not miss a Sunday, so yeah, I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna do it makeup. Hopefully this is quick and short, you know, and I'm probably gonna end up rambling because it takes longer to do your makeup than it does to condish. But thank you guys for tuning in for me this Sunday. Grab your conditioners, grab your makeup, grab your glass of wine. It's a very chill Sunday. Let's get to it. So I'm going in with the NARS Pour and Shine Control Primer. I've been using it since I've been using the NARS. It's almost gone, girl. How do I like it? I guess it's okay. I really don't be knowing what the primer's for, girl. I mean, I know what it's for, but I don't really have a problem with the primer. But anyways, let's get into the fist pump news. I would say if y'all want to know what I'm using for my makeup, check this description box, but I'm not gonna even lie, I'm really in a push for time. I'm probably not gonna have enough time to put it down there, sis. Maybe that's why I'm gonna say it like on camera so you can know. So take notes, sis, take notes. This is a quick video, it's gotta be edited real quick, you know. But anyways, so the fist pump news for the week. We're gonna give it to Kendrick Lamar for winning the Pulitzer prize. Yeah, that, you know what I'm talking about. He won. I feel like it's the first time that the rap genre won, and it's totally different. So shout out to him. His damn album, how long has that been out? Because that's what he won it for. So I mean, shout out, I like Kendrick. His ticket prices are a little bit high, you know, but who's counting their pockets? Me. But yeah, I mean, I ain't mad. I am not mad. Also, I really don't have, I'm not gonna even lie, I'm gonna really keep it funky with y'all. I really don't have a separate like fist pump. I mean, I guess that's the fist pump news of the week. There's not a lot happened because this video is being recorded earlier because I'm in another destination. I'm not home. So on Sunday, so I'm recording it now. So I really haven't gotten to collect that much news. So what's going on today? We're gonna also give Beyonce a little fist pump of the week for her Coachella performance. I feel like it's only right, especially with her bringing life to like HBCUs and, you know, their band life and just like the fraternity life. It's like everything that she incorporated, all the blackness that she incorporated or whatever in her performance, and I'm really not mad. She did great. Her dancers did great. I really liked it. I didn't watch it. I only seen clips. Girl, I just had no time to be sitting down watching it. Anyways, this is a Pro Concealer, LA Girl, color corrector in orange. I'm pretty sure y'all knew that. But I'm about to go in with this Fenty foundation. Now, a lot of people have been asking me on IG, what foundation are you wearing? You look like you know, that's good, you glowing. It's been Fenty, girl. I've recently purchased it. I've been using it. You know, I ain't got no problem with it. But my Fenty shade is 420. Get it? But yeah, that's my Fenty shade. So yeah, sis. Also, I just wanted to acknowledge the fact that Rihanna, Cardi B met Rihanna, and I'm kind of jealous because I love Rihanna and Cardi B got to meet her. And when they met, y'all, this is just a little mermaid brush I purchased from like Marshalls or somewhere. It's not named brand, just knockoff. But she met Rihanna while she was at Coachella, and Rihanna walked up. I can't remember the exact words that Rihanna said, but she was like, keep doing your thing, you know. And Cardi was like, She was like, so like, you can tell she was excited to meet her or whatever. I mean, who wouldn't be excited to meet Rihanna? But, and then she did the unthinkable. She touched Cardi on the shoulder as she was walking off. And that is when I would have lost it. Like, Rihanna touched her. I love me some Rihanna, y'all. I'm not sure if y'all seen like pictures or videos of Rihanna at Coachella dancing like front row at the front of Beyonce performance. Like, Rihanna be standing, you hear me? And the fact that after Rihanna walked off, Cardi kind of just like fangirled out. They just said everything to me, especially in light of, you know, Nicki Minaj trying to say that, oh, if I was on the song with somebody who was that big, I would be thanking them. I feel like if you had a thankful attitude, then she would have thanked you. Cause she fanned out when she met Beyonce. She fanned out when she met Rihanna. But she isn't too excited to be on the song with you. That just says something about you. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not her being ungrateful for being around people with bigger names, or you know, just being in their presence. Like, it's you, sis. It's your attitude. It's the way that you think. You thinking what you think now because she didn't thank you or wasn't fanning because you were on the same song with her. So this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fond. And also, y'all, back to the Condish. What I'm trying to say is, I really don't have that much to say. That's really all that I felt was like worthy of talking about on the Condish so far this week. Yeah, so I'm gonna go into the witty listens for the week, and I'm going to, no lie, I feel like this is the third week I mentioned this. I've been playing Drake and Nice for way, like, you know what I'm saying? What Craig? That's what I've been playing, y'all. Like no BS. I've been playing Drake. I also been bumping Cardi B, but I did want to get at you guys for the witty listen, the homework, the witty homework for the week. Yeah, witty homework, hashtags witty homework. That's cute, girl. This song of the week is going to be by Sanga and Xavier Omar. The song is called Sweet Holy Honey. If you want to know how to pronounce that, the Sanga part of Sanga, it's S-A-N-G-O. Why am I so damn crazy? Yeah, that's how you spell it. S-A-N-G-O, Sanga, and Xavier Omar. I'm pretty sure once you put that in, you're gonna get it. It's gonna pull up. It's called Sweet Holy Honey. Listen to that song and tell me how y'all like it. So this is the Black Radiance Concealer Stick, and well, the number on the bottom is 8003. Yeah, that's what it says. And this is basically what I'm going for with, girl. It's real cheap. It's a look, it's a vibe. I wanted to get into the details on my hair now. I feel like I can, let you guys in on the deets, So, my homegirl, I'm pretty sure if you guys watch my channel faithfully, you know who I'm talking about. Her name is Destiny, and she normally styles my hair. She did these really cute braids. They're really, really cute, y'all. So this is basically my vacation look because that's where I am right now. Whitney, finish your face. It's really cute, and I just felt like I needed to get some kind of protective style because the only thing that's worse than dealing with two textures, aka transitioning hair, is dealing with transitioning hair on vacation. So I was like, you know what, Destiny, can you braid me up? And she was like, oh, yeah, that. And so she swung by and she braided me up. It's really cute. I seen this idea of this look, I think Toya Wright and her daughter was rocking, and I was like, that's cute. So she made it happen. Once you get a good braider, with a little talent. Usually this style, the ones you see online, mostly they're going straight back with the smaller braid, in between each. But you know, we remixed it. We was like, let's put a little, you know, wavy on the top, and she did that, sis. She did that, sis. Tell me how you guys like it in the comments. You know, anytime my hair is braided, you know it's vacation time. But I'm gonna see possibly if I can be rocking these maybe 2 weeks out of every other month this summer. And how many summers in a month? You know, I live in Texas. Every month is summer. Like literally, no, look, no cap, like for real, for real. So now it's time to set my face. And I'm gonna be using the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I'm just gonna take my blender, dab it, and then I like to blow off that excess powder. Cause the more powder I put on, just y'all see it in the air. It just looks so cakey, and it literally turns my complexion like I look like a ghost. So I noticed that I can't put on like a ton. If you haven't been yet, please go outside. Step into the sunlight and get your life. If your daddy's out there, then I will stay. You will be my daughter, a son one day. Hey! So as soon as it's applied, I don't do that baking thing. I just rub it off. But getting back to the topic, where am I right now? Y'all notice I got my hair braided. Y'all know I'm protective styling. Where I'm at right now, like what's up? Truth be told, you follow me on social media, Snapchat and Instagram, you will already know I didn't put it on my Facebook. So you follow me on Facebook, big ups to you. I'm probably gonna be doing a giveaway over there on Facebook soon. So make sure you guys follow me on Facebook. It's just Prettywitty77. If you can't find the page or can't seem to get to it, just put facebook.com/Prettywitty77. I'm all in that thing, okay? So yeah, right now I'm in Cancun, Mexico for one of my friends' wedding. And after the wedding, I'm going to be moving to a different resort and turning up more. I'm going to be turning up more. So if you're not following me on Snapchat or Instagram, you're really missing out. Instagram stories is where I am most of the time, since Snapchat be trying to hate. Snapchat be, girl, Snapchat did fell off. So I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. It's the only one I use. I feel like I need to get a cheaper setting spray to use when I'm just like doing videos or something, or looks, where I'm wiping right off. Because sometimes we be doing it, like influencers and YouTubers really be doing it. But sometimes, you know, this is too expensive to just be wiping off. So I think I'm gonna go with a cheaper one. Comment below if you use a one like a drugstore brand, if it's really good, because I might need to, like, you know, alternate them. And for my last and final magic trick, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt in highlighter. It's a highlighter, and it comes in 2 colors. One of them is Mean Money and the other one is Hustle. The other one, oh girl, Mississippi. The other one is Hustle Baby. I really, dang, I put the clear plastic on it so it won't like break and get everywhere. Where did it go though? Like, where it go? Where it go? But anyways, I'm so obsessed with this Hustle Baby. It's really cute, and a lot of people been commenting. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know that glow be, I'm telling y'all, when that sun hit that glow. This is just a little elf brush that I bought, girl, a minute ago, and I just, you know, dab a little bit, because I feel like I'm gonna end up dusting off most of it anyways, like this, so I won't pile to too much into the area and be cakey. My cheekbones been popping since birth though. So I'm really not sure if the camera is picking up on this glow, but I'm in love. Anyways, I'm trying to decide where I want to go for my birthday this year. My birthday destination, y'all know I take an annual trip for my birthday to celebrate another year of life. That's just a tradition that I do. And I'm kind of stuck between where I should go. I want it to be tropical, and I don't know if I want to choose Barbados, Bahamas, or Turks and Caicos. Like, Turks and Caicos might be a little steep on the price. No, either that or another. That sounds like a vacation spot. So I think I should probably do, let me know which one, the Barbados or Bahamas. Like, and let me know if you live there. If you stay in the island, if you're from the islands, girl, let me know where you from. If your parents were born in the island, let me know where they from, because I'm trying to be where they from. Okay. And that concludes this week's Deep Condish. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button off GP. Yeah, thank y'all for watching though, for real. And head over to my Snapchat and my Instagram. I don't know which one I'm gonna put majority of my content on. I'm also gonna be vlogging, so if you want to see the full link, like what you was doing on your vacation, go ahead and follow my vlog channel. It's Prettywitty's World. Yes. But I'm gonna catch y'all here next week for my monthly live Deep Condish. I'm so excited. It usually happens between the hours of 3 and 4 p.m. on Sunday, Central Standard Time. Sometimes it'll be on CP time, you know, just keeping it G. But yeah, sis, head over to my Instagram and my Snapchat. I might be, you know, on the beach right now. Like right now, I might be on the beach. I might be, you know, at the pool. Not in the pool because I can't swim. I might be eating right now. Or, you know, I might be just working at night. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you here again Sunday. Peace.